first talk about Scrum Master as a change agent. In order to improve, everyone needs feedback. Although the feedback is neither negative or positive, we as human beings perceive it as negative or positive. Same way, we might strongly believe into someone or something. These are called as mental models. Mental models are big constraints to enable change. A change agent is a person who actually enables the change by either influencing with data, experiments, experience sharing, open communication, or by giving feedback or giving a different perspective. Let's say, for example, you have a newly formed Scrum team, and in this Scrum team you have an architect and the programmers. They feel that they cannot actually start coding unless and until the architecture is blueprinted. That is a mental model. As a Scrum Master, you help your teams to create visibility by running experiments and then help teams inspect and adapt. So a Scrum Master is this change agent who creates awareness about these mental models so that teams and organizations improve.